Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Maytag brand dryer and on the display it's giving you an OE or a 0E error and you're wondering what this is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So a little bit of good news and a little bit of bad news about this error. I'll start with the bad news is that this is an electronic fault, most likely coming from the control panel, which means that you may need to have your control panel replaced and you might need to do a little bit of electronics investigation to figure out what circuit is actually burnt out or bad and giving you this error. The good news is that sometimes these dryers will throw up these kind of electronic errors just like a computer that glitches, and they can be cleared out with a simple hard reset of your dryer. And to do that, you just need to turn your dryer off and then disconnect it completely from power, either by unplugging it from the wall or disconnecting it from the breaker or turning it off at the breaker, and then leaving it disconnected for 1 to 5 minutes. Once that time is up, then you can restore power, try to run a cycle, and see if the error doesn't come back. If the error does come back, at that point you will probably need to replace your control panel.